Good morning, student. Now, in this class, we will discuss about the exercise 1.2. Okay, in previous class, what you have to learn? There is a properties of rational number. Okay, now in this class, exercise, after the exercise, it's a 1.2. Then, in this exercise is related according to is related on the properties of rational number. Means most of the property you have to use here. Simplify the question, fill in the blank, simple question you have to given, and also you have to given their words problem. Okay, now one question you have to firstly one by one question you have to firstly discuss here. Then in the question, exercise 1.2 question number 1 we have to given filling the blanks, means what we have to given that the according to their properties we have to solve their question number 1. Very simple question, you have to try. It is for the question number 1, it's for the homework. Okay, now question number 2, what? Simplify and write the answer in standard form. Simplify means what? Solve. After that, write the answer in standard form. All of you know the standard form? Okay, what do you mean by standard form? Standard form means we have to note down the 2 points, which is that first point is the rational number is in a lowest term and the denominator is also the positive. Then you have to say that the given numbers is in a standard form. Okay, now see here question number A. We have to given the question number first. In the question number 2, there are the different examples we have to given. 6 examples we have to given. Then first question, 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 12 plus 2 upon 7 plus 7 upon 12 plus 9 upon 7 plus 5 minus 5 upon 16. There are the lot of rational number we have to given. Okay, now how to solve this? Okay, then here when you are to given these types of question, first you have to observe this question properly. See here, there are some rational number, they are same denominator, and some rational numbers there are different denominator. Okay, so firstly we have to collect the same denominator rational number. Okay, then see here, first is the 1 upon 8 and 5 minus 5 upon 16. They are the different denominator. But all of you know that when you have to collect the 1 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 16, you have to solve by using LCM. It's very easy. All of you know that the 8 and 16 LCM. Okay, then see here, first we have to arrange 5 upon 12 plus 2 upon, sorry, not 2 upon 5 upon 12. It is a same denominator rational number, which is that 7 upon 12. Then plus 2 upon 7, it is the same rational number, which is that 9 upon 7. Okay, now write down this the different denominator term. 1 upon 8 plus minus 5 upon 16. Okay, student? Now solve this. How to solve? All of you know that 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 12 is what? 5 plus 7 upon 12. Then plus again we have to add this two terms. First we have to solve, then after this one, then after this one. 3 parts we have to solve. Okay, then 2 plus 9 upon 7. 2 plus 9 upon 7 plus. Now we have to use here the what? It is not possible we have to directly add. Then you have to use here the LCM. Okay, what is the LCM of the 8 and 16? 16. Then there is a LCM 16. 8 will multiply which number you get answer 16? 2s are, then 1 also multiply by 2 plus minus 5 multiply by which number? 1s are. Okay, now see here. 5 plus 7 is what? 12 upon 12. 5 plus 7 is 12 upon 12 plus 9 plus 2 is what? 11 upon 7 plus 1 multiplied by 2 is what? 2 plus minus 5 upon 60. Okay, now after that. After that, see it. Then 12 upon 12 is what? 12 upon 12 is what? 1 plus 11 upon 7 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 is what? Plus minus minus. Then 5 minus 2 is what? Minus 3 upon 60. Okay, student? Now, after that. Okay, now I want to solve this term. Which term? 1 plus 11 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 60. Okay, how to solve? There are the different denominator rational number. Then which term you have to solve? Here is equal to 1 plus, I will write again this term. Say 11 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 60. Okay, how to solve? There is what? 1 is the denominator. 1. Now, LCM of the LCM. What is the LCM of 1, 7 and 16? It is the LCM. Which is the LCM? If you are to doubt to find LCM, then you have to use the which method? Prime factorization method. Okay, all of you know the prime factorization method. Then 7 and 16 is the, what is the LCM of 7 and 16? Is the 112. 112. It is divisible by 7 and 16. Okay, student? Now, then you have to write down there 112. Okay, after that, 1 multiplied by which number? 112. 1 multiplied by 112 plus 7 multiplied by which number? You get the answer is 112. 7 16s are. Then 11 also multiplied by which number? 16 plus minus 3 also multiplied by which number? You will get the 112. 16 7s are. Then minus 3 also multiplied by 7. Okay. Now after that 112 ones are 112 plus 16 7s are how much? 176 plus 7 3s are minus 21. Okay, upon 112 is equal to 112 plus 176. How much? It's a answer is what? 176 plus 112. 288 plus minus 21 upon 112. Now 288 minus 21, how much? 7 6. What is that? 267 upon 112. Understand, children? Then what is the answer? 267 upon 112. Now check here. This is the required answer. 267 upon 112. It is in a standard form or not? It is in a standard form because there is a lowest term. It is in a lowest term. Their common factor is what? 1, and their denominator is also the positive. So this types of we have to simplify. Okay. After that, we have to given the another one example. I will explain here, and remaining questions B, C, D and E. You have to try. It is for the homework. Okay. Now student, question number B. Okay, what is that? 36 upon 49 divided by 27 upon minus 42 multiplied by 26 upon minus 45 divided by 65 upon minus 81. Okay. Firstly, we have to solve this. It is a division and multiplication question. First, you have to solve this division, and after you have to solve this division. This way you have to solve in the group. Then you have to according to step by step you have to solve. Then you have to get the correct answer. Okay. Now 36 upon 49 divided by 27 upon minus 42. Okay. All of you know how to solve the division. It's a 36 upon 49. We have to find the what? Reciprocal of the another rational number. 27 upon minus 42 is a reciprocal what? It's a minus 42 upon 27. Okay. Now multiply. Again you have to solve 26 upon minus 45. You write as it is. Multiply. Again you have to find the reciprocal of 65 and upon minus 81. Minus 81 upon 65. Okay. And right here there is a reciprocal of 27 upon minus 42 is a what? Minus 42 upon 27. Okay. Then and what is that? 65 minus 81 is minus 81 upon 65. Understand? Now, okay. Now solve here is equal to 36 upon 49 multiplied by minus 42 upon 27. Okay, multiply by 26 upon minus 45 multiply by minus 81 upon 65. Okay, now see here, most of the terms it is a reduce. So, reduce it. Which number it is a reducible? That 9 is divided by 9 4s are and 9 3s are. Okay. Now 7 is also 7 7s are and 7 6s are. Okay. After that 30 2s are and 30 5s are. Okay. 13 2s are and 35s are. Then again 9 5s are and 9 9s are. Okay. Now write down the remaining term properly. Is equal to 4 upon 7 minus 6 upon 3. When you have to write this term, remaining terms, write, see there the sign. Okay? Then multiply by 2 upon, what is that? Minus 5. Multiply minus 9 upon, what is that? 5. Now, any one term is reducible? Yes, 3 2s are. Then 4 upon 7 multiply by what? Minus 2 upon 1. Multiply. Here, no one term is reducible, so 2 upon minus 5 multiply by minus 9 upon 5 is equal to. Now multiply. 4 2s are minus 8. 7 1 is 7. Multiply. 9 2s are minus 18. 5 5s are minus 25. This minus minus get cancelled. Then what is that? 8 upon 7 multiply by 8. Sorry, minus 8 upon 7 multiply by 18 upon 25. Minus minus get cancelled. Then multiply. 18 minus 8 multiply by 18. ओके मैं ये जो स्टेप यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ आपको नहीं लिखना है, ये स्टेप इसके नीचे आनी चाहिए. ओके क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह नहीं इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. नोटबुक में भी जब लिखोगे आप तो ये जो स्टेप है एक के नीचे एक ही आनी चाहिए. ओके ना 7 multiply by 25 is equal to, what is that? 18 multiply by 8. 8 8 is 64. 6 8 8 1 is 8 plus 1, it's a 144. Okay, minus 144 minus 144 upon 25 sevens are how much? 35. 7 2s are 40. 170. It's what? 170. Okay. This is the, what is the answer? Minus 144 upon 175. It is the answer. These types of we have to simplify and check here. Minus 144 upon 175. It is in a standard form. Yes, it is in a standard form. Their common factor is 1 and their denominator is positive. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, this time so we have to solve the remaining example. Which example you have to solve? A, B, sorry, not A, B, C, D and E. This 4 example, it is for the home. Okay. Question number 3rd. What is that question number 3rd? Verify the property A multiplied by in bracket B multiplied by C is equal to in bracket A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Okay, we have to verify. What is meant by verify? Verify means that we have to check that it is a, we have to get that this term is equal to this term, means LHS is equal to RHS. After we have to put in this value. Okay. Now in this question we have to given the A is a, which question first? A is equal to minus 7 upon 3, B is equal to 5 upon minus 4 and C is equal to 9 upon 8. Okay. So we have to A, B, C values we have to put first LHS side, then RHS side and compare and observe that it is verified or not. Okay, now see here LHS side. What is the LHS side of this equation? A multiplied by in bracket, which is property. What is the name of this property? It is a distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication. Okay, now B multiplied by C is equal to 10. What is the value of A? We have to put minus 7 upon 3 multiply by in bracket B 5 upon minus 4 multiply. What is the value of C? 9 upon 8 is equal to. Now solve here. Minus 7 upon 3 multiply. It is no one term is reducible here. Then 9 5s are 45 upon 8 4s are minus 32. Okay, now solve here. 3 is divided by 15s are. Okay, now 15 7s is what? 105 minus 105 upon minus 32. Minus minus get cancelled. Then what is that? 105 upon 32. This is the LHS. Okay, now take LHS. RHS side is what? Now we have to solve the RHS side. It's a, then what is the value of A? A is a in bracket minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon minus 4 multiply. What is the C? 9 upon 8. Okay, now 7 upon 3 is the, we have to multiply. Say minus 7 multiplied by 5 is a minus 35 upon 4 minus 4 multiplied by 3 is a minus 12 multiplied by 9 upon 8 is equal to. Now minus minus get cancelled. What is that? There is a plus. Sorry, minus minus get cancelled. Then 35 upon 12 multiplied by 9 upon 8. Now 3 is divided by 12, 3 4s and 3 3s are. Then 35 3s are to what? 105. And 8 4s are 32. This is the RHS. Now see here the LHS and RHS. You have to get they are the same. Then LHS is equal to RHS. RHS. Then you have to say that what? There is a, therefore, it is property is verified. Then A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to, in bracket, A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This property is verified. Understand? This type of we have to solve this and verify the property. Okay. Now in this question number 3 we have to given the second B. It is for the homework. We have to question number B. Say we have to solve according to the same, according to their this method. Understand, student? Okay. Now student, question number, after the question is the question number 4. In this question again we have to given the verify, but there is a different property. Which property is the A multiplied by, in bracket, B plus C is equal to, in bracket, A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Which property? It is a distributive property of addition. Okay. Now given the values we have to put here and verify. LHS side, A multiplied by, in bracket, B plus C. Okay, what is that value of A? 12 upon 5 multiplied by, in bracket, B minus 15 upon 4 plus C 7 upon 6. Okay, now solve here. Minus 12 upon 5. First we have to solve this bracket. Okay, we have to solve this bracket. Okay, then two rational numbers is in addition, then you have to use the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? It's a 24. Okay, now you have to again use your cross multiplication method. Then 24. 4 6 are, then minus 15 multiply which number? 6 plus 7 multiply by 6 multiply which number? 4 are. Then 7 multiply by also the 4. Okay, is equal to minus 12 upon 5 multiply by 15 6 are minus 90 plus 7 4 are 28 upon 24. That is complete. Is equal to minus 12 upon 5 multiply by minus 90 plus 28. What is that? Minus 90. 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here is what? 8. It is a 6. 62. Minus 62. 90 plus minus 90 plus 20 is a 90 minus 20 is a 62, and their greater number sign is a negative. Then 24. Okay. Now again you have to given in the division, but it is divided where is divided by 24. 2 are minus minus get pay plus, then 62 upon 5 to the 10. Okay, then again see here 62 upon 10, it is again reduced here. Then which number? 2 31. 2 is divided by 62 and 2 5s are. Then what is that? 31 upon 5. It is the answer. This is the LHS. Now take a RHS. This is the LHS side and RHS. What is the RHS? Is the A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. Okay, what is that A? What is the value of A? A is a minus 12 upon 5 multiplied by B is what? Minus 15 upon 4 plus, in bracket, again A is a minus 12 upon 5 multiplied by C is what? 7 upon 6. Then see here 4 3s are 5, again 3s are, what is that? Minus minus get plus, then 3 3s are 9. Then 9 upon 1. Denominator is 1. Then it is 6 2s are. Okay. Then minus 2 multiplied by 7 minus 40, and it is what? 5. Now student, 9 upon 1 plus minus 14 upon 5 is a, now it is in a addition. So solve here. 1 and 5 is the LCM. What is that? 5. Then 1 multiplied which number? 5 is, I said 9 also multiplied by 5 plus minus 14 is also multiplied by 1. Okay. Now after that 9 5s are 45 plus minus 40 upon 5 is equal to 45 minus 40 plus minus minus upon 5 is what? 31 upon 5. This is what RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the what? This property is a verified. A multiplied by in bracket B plus C is equal to A multiplied by in bracket B plus C. Then what is that? A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This property is verified. Okay, this types of we have to verify. Now, in this question number 4, you have to given the question number B. It is for the homework. Okay, properly you have to solve addition. Those who are doing the addition, multiplication, division, you have to solve properly and verify. Okay, student. Now, student, question number 5. What is that? Add the following using a rearrangement property. Means we have to, according to the property, this question we have to arrange and solve. Simply. Okay. Now, 2 upon 3 plus minus 4 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 plus minus 7 upon 5. Okay, student. Now, according to their properties or same denominator, different denominator, we have to arrange and solve. Okay. Then 2 upon 3. There is the same denominator is what? Minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. Then plus. Again minus 4 upon 5 is the same denominator. Rational number we have to correct here. Minus 7 upon 5 plus. It's a 1. Their denominator is what? 1. So we have to write them here. Then solve there. 2 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. 2 plus minus 2. Add numerator directly. Plus minus 4 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 5. Minus 4 plus minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 1. Understand? Now, is equal to 2 plus minus 2 plus minus minus. Then 2 minus 2 it's a 0 upon 3 plus minus 4 plus minus minus 7 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1. Okay, then 0 upon 3. This minus 4 minus 7 minus minus what? Plus. This 7 plus 4 is what? 11 and greater number sign is negative. Minus 11 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1. Okay, 1 upon 1. Then 0 upon 3. What is that? 0 upon 3 is what? 0 plus minus 11 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to. Now we have to solve only this term. Minus 11 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1. Okay. So minus 11 upon, because 0 is added to any number, you get answer what? That number itself. So minus 11 upon 5 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to. What is the LCM? 5 is the LCM. Minus 11 multiplied which number? 1 sir. Plus 1 multiplied which number? 5 sir. Minus 11 plus 5 1 is 5 upon 6. Minus 11 plus 5 is what? Minus, sorry, yeah, 5. Minus 6 upon 5. This is the answer. This types of we have to arrange and simplify. Okay, students. Now in this question of it you have to given the B, C, D. Okay, you have to try. Firstly, if you have to any doubt, then ask me. According to their methods, you have to solve.